Hi everyone, once again I'm back with another tutorial. In this following video, I'm about to show you how you can log in into your online banking account of Bank. In order to log in, first of all, make sure that you already have an account, only then you'll be able to log in into your Bank account. So the login method is pretty simple, all you have to do is make sure to follow the step correctly. So then let's get started. First of all, open up your web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice. As you open up your web browser, in the top right corner, you can see there is a search box. So then type in the link, that is www.td.com. So then regarding the link, you might find it confusing or you might not find the correct link. What you can do is simply tap on my description box and then you can find the link or the correct link over there. Once you type in the link, on the other page you will be directed into the official site. So over here, this kind of interface might appear on your computer screen. So then on the same page in the right hand side corner, you can see there is online banking and under it you have login. So then tap on it. As you tap on it, next page you will land inside the login page. In the left hand side corner, there you have a dialog box. So over here you'll have to enter your login information. First of all, you'll have to enter your username. So then make sure to enter the correct username that is associated with your TD Bank. And after you're done, tap on password. So once you're done entering all your information, tap on login, which is right at the bottom. And as soon as you tap on login on the other page, you will successfully land inside your TD Bank account on your device. So that is how you can log in into your online banking account of TD Bank. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.